Today, I just stopped by one of our kindergarten classrooms and I got a chance to hear all the wonderful things that they are loving to learn about kindergarten. And if you have a chance to listen to them, it just might make your day too.
Morning, Dr. Winston.
Oh my goodness, you just warmed my heart and made my day. How's everyone doing?
Good.
Excellent. Tell me something you've learned.
We've learned about Martin Luther King.
You've learned about Martin Luther King Jr. in kindergarten. That's awesome. You all must be really smart children.
We are. My brain
I can tell. So what grade are you in?
kindergarten.
Kindergarten. What's your favorite thing to do in kindergarten? Math? Are you good at math?
Yeah.
Ooh, so what do you like best about kindergarten?
I like to write.
You like to write? Ooh, do you like to write good stories? All right, okay. When you do free choice, what's your favorite thing?
Art.
Oh, you're an artist.
Yes, I am.
Oh, that's awesome. Oh, tell me something. What do you want to be when you grow up?
Astronaut.
You want to be an astronaut? Oh, that's awesome. Okay. So when you grow up, Carolyn, what do you want to be when you grow
A
up?
doctor.
You want to be a doctor? What kind of doctor?
A big doctor.
A pig doctor?
No, a pet doctor.
Oh, my bad. A pet doctor. Oh. And what do you want to be when you grow up, Dexter?
I wanna write a poem.
You want to write a play? Oh, I would love to come watch your play. When you write a play, can I come and watch it? Okay. Well, Aviva, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I wanna be an architect who models things and builds them.
Oh my gosh, you want to be an architect? That's fabulous. That's wonderful. So what do you know about being an architect?
Building buildings. Yeah, and building homes for people.
Oh my goodness.
What do we say to Dr. Winston for coming?
Thank you. Please join us for our kindergarten open house.